there's lots of different things in our kitchen that can make a musical sound. If you've got a couple of saucepans, turn them upside down
and give them a hit with the wooden spoon, and you've been playing a musical tune. Listen to the bang, bang, bang of the saucepans.
Well, here's another thing from our kitchen that can sound really nice. If you've got a container like this, well, just put in some rice.
Shake it around with all of your might, and you can shake it any way you like. Listen to the shake, shake, shake the rice makes.
Now here's another thing from our kitchen that can sound interesting. If you've got a big pizza tray, just tie on a piece of string.
Give it a hit with a rolling pin, and when it stops, well, you can do it again. Listen to the ring, ring, ring of the pizza ding.
Now if you'd like to play an instrument and have a really good time, well, just go into your kitchen at home and see what you can find.